As Austin continues to grow, so does the challenge of managing waste responsibly. From home renovations and office cleanouts to everyday clutter, junk removal plays a crucial role in keeping neighborhoods clean and sustainable. But beyond convenience, the environmental impact of junk removal is something every Austin resident should understand. The choices made during recycling and disposal can significantly affect the city's carbon footprint, landfill space, and overall ecological health. Why responsible junk removal matters. Traditional junk disposal often meant hauling everything straight to the landfill. While this may have been common practice in the past, it comes with major environmental drawbacks: increased greenhouse gas emissions, overflowing landfills, and wasted resources that could otherwise be reused or recycled. In Austin, a city known for its commitment to sustainability, junk removal companies are shifting toward eco-conscious practices. By focusing on recycling, repurposing, and safe disposal, these services help homeowners and businesses reduce their environmental impact while still clearing out unwanted items. Recycling. Giving old items new life. One of the most significant benefits of modern junk removal in Austin is recycling. Instead of letting metal, glass, wood, and plastic pile up in landfills, professional removal services sort and direct these materials to appropriate recycling facilities. Appliances and electronics. Old refrigerators, microwaves, and computers often contain valuable metals and hazardous materials. Recycling prevents harmful chemicals from leaching into the soil while recovering reusable components. Furniture and wood. Wooden furniture can often be repurposed or recycled into new products, reducing the demand for freshly cut lumber. Metal and plastics. These materials can be broken down and reprocessed into new consumer goods, conserving natural resources. By recycling, junk removal services not only reduce waste but also help build a circular economy where old items are transformed into new products. Donations and reuse. Another key component of responsible junk removal in Austin is the emphasis on donating usable items. Many removal companies partner with local charities and organizations to ensure furniture, clothing, and household goods in good condition are passed on to those who need them. This practice extends the life of products, supports local communities, and prevents unnecessary waste. It's a win-win. Homeowners free up space, and local families benefit from affordable or free items. Safe disposal of hazardous materials. Not all junk can be recycled or donated. Some items, such as paints, chemicals, old batteries, and certain electronics, require special handling to avoid environmental damage. Professional junk removal services follow strict regulations to ensure these materials are disposed of safely. By preventing harmful chemicals from seeping into Austin's soil and waterways, responsible disposal helps protect both the environment and public health. Long-term environmental benefits. When Austin residents choose eco-friendly junk removal services, the long-term benefits extend beyond cleaner homes. Reduced landfill waste. Recycling and donations keep tons of materials out of landfills each year. Lower carbon footprint. Repurposing materials means fewer resources are extracted and manufactured, cutting greenhouse gas emissions. Conservation of natural resources. Recycling helps preserve forests, minerals, and fossil fuels by reducing the need for new raw materials. Final thoughts. Junk removal may seem like a simple service, but its environmental impact is far-reaching. By choosing an Austin junk removal provider that prioritizes recycling, donations, and safe disposal, you're doing more than decluttering your space. You're contributing to a healthier, more sustainable city. The next time you clean out your garage, remodel your kitchen, or clear office clutter, remember, how your junk is handled matters. Eco-friendly junk removal isn't just about convenience, it's about protecting Austin's environment for future generations.